English is a global language. It connects people around the world. Speaking English opens doors to many opportunities. These include better jobs, more education, and travel experiences. Learning English can be challenging, but it is very rewarding. Many people dream of speaking English fluently. It takes time and effort to achieve this goal. Don't get discouraged. With the right approach, you can master the language. This article shares tips and tricks to help you on your journey. Begin with the foundation of English. Learn the alphabet and basic grammar rules. Focus on building a strong vocabulary. Start with common words and phrases. Use flashcards or apps to memorize new words. Practice writing simple sentences. Read children's books or graded readers. These materials use simplified language. Gradually increase the difficulty level as you progress. Mastering the basics lays a solid foundation for fluency. Many language learning apps are available today. Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone are popular choices. These apps make learning fun and interactive. They offer various exercises, games, and quizzes. Explore online resources like BBC Learning English and VOA Learning English. These websites provide news, lessons, and videos for English learners. Choose resources that match your learning style and interests. Speaking and listening are crucial for fluency. Find opportunities to practice with native English speakers. Join language exchange groups or online communities. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube channels. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and everyday expressions. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. Immerse yourself in the English language as much as possible. Surround yourself with English media. This includes music, podcasts, and books. Try changing the language settings on your phone and computer to English. Label objects in your home with English words. The more you encounter the language, the faster you will learn. Learning a new language requires dedication and perseverance. Set realistic goals. Break down your learning into smaller, manageable steps. Find something that motivates you to keep going. Maybe it's a favorite English-speaking singer or a desire to travel. Celebrate small victories along the way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. When you make a mistake, analyze it. Figure out the correct way to say or write something. Learn from your errors and move forward. Recognize and celebrate your progress. Look back at how far you've come. Acknowledge the effort you have invested. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Treat yourself to something you enjoy. Share your achievements with friends or family. Learning a language is a continuous journey. Even when you reach a comfortable level of fluency, keep learning and improving. Explore new vocabulary, grammar concepts, and cultural nuances. Embrace the beauty and richness of the English language. Enjoy the journey and never stop learning.